All right, so let's take a look at our homeschool space. Now, keep in mind, you need to do what is best for your family. And also keep in mind, we're using this, so it is not perfect. It's straight right now because I told my kids they needed to straighten up so I could show you. But we're using it, right? And if you're using them, it may not be perfect every day. But we've got bouncy ball chairs because they are totally necessary. And this year we upgraded and got a kidney bean table just because I wanted to be close to my kids while they were working. And it gives us more of a formal environment. But the last 2 years we've been in our dining room. So you do what works best for your family. Now, I have got a preschooler, I've got a 3rd grader and a 5th grader, and also a 9-month-old baby. So how do we make it work? I've got so many books, and like I said, we're using this. So we've just got, they can pull from anything. They've got chapter books in their bedrooms too. This is more just like for fun reading, if they have a spare 5 minutes, but lots of stuff for the preschooler for just in case I'm working with the older kids and he needs something to do. I even have like all of his trucks and his tool set over here just so he has some stuff that he can play with on the fly. So over here, I have got 3rd grade, I've got 5th grade, and those are things that my children are using. All of this here, you're going to see a combo. I'm doing a hybrid this year, so I've got some of the parent-led materials, also some of the video materials, and then I have the keys right here that you use to grade. And then I also have their chapter books and, of course, the dictionary, thesaurus, our Bible, important things like that. Okay, down here, usually we keep 2 iPads there, but one of them is still downstairs. And then this is just simple school supplies. Honestly, I've got some magnets for my preschooler. It's also fun to spell their spelling words with that. And then I've got pencils, crayons, markers, glue sticks, scissors, colored pencils, anything that you can think of that they would need just on the go every day. That is here. And then I have some of the preschool materials, and I just printed this out for my son Carson to practice writing his name. So, and then some of the preschool Abeka materials down there. So this is our setup. It's not fancy at all, but it works for us, and I like that I can just turn around, grab stuff, and take it straight to the table, and we can keep going with our day in a really seamless way. So nothing fancy, but it certainly works for us.